Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my favourite spots around Bath. I'm really excited to do this because I love living in Bath so much. It's such a good place for students, and also people who aren't students. My mum loves it here, my family love it here. But obviously with all the coronavirus stuff, this is the last time I'm probably going to be here for a while. So yeah, I'm going to show you around my favourite spots. I hope you enjoy. Please like and subscribe if you want to. So what am I wearing? I've got a cardigan from Nasty Gal. This top is Topshop. The Sophie Now Skinny Dip collection from Skinny Dip. This coat is Topshop, and then my jeans are the Mom ones from ASOS. They're a bit short on me, but it's fine. And I've got my Nike trainers. Yes, this is all the stuff I'm taking home with me. But yeah, I'm gonna head off now. Right, so I'm walking along the river right now. It's so peaceful, it's really odd, but I'm going up to a little crescent, which not many people know about. So, I can't quite remember the name of this one, but this one is so cute. It's literally got all the Georgian houses. It's quite near to the actual crescent, like the Royal Crescent as well. Yeah, it's just very, very cute. Now walking towards the bowling green and the mini golf. This place is really good at Christmas, the ice skating is usually here. And I'll show you the mini golf in a second. Right, I have just been sent home from placement. Didn't realise I wasn't allowed to come in, but there we go. I'm going to show you the golf course now because it is really empty. Obviously it's 8:30 in the morning, so there's no one here and it's pissing down with rain. So yeah, if you're ever in Bath, please come to the golf course. It's £5 for students. I think it's about 6 or 7 for adults. Yeah, I'll show you now. And there is a fountain down there. I'll show you in a second. And at Christmas time they open it later and put fairy lights everywhere. So and you get glow in the dark golf balls, so much fun. So yeah, in that little pond you get a fountain. Obviously it's not on today. Now I'm walking towards the crescent. The view takes me away every time. Fashion museum. Kendall Jenner's dress is in this building. Here is the Boston Tea Party my friends and I always go to. It's a perfect place to study, socialise, it's so nice in there. Now I'm going some very narrow stairs towards the river or the Pulteney Bridge Weir. You'll see it in a second, you can probably hear it, but you can see it. 3, 2, 1, this is the Pulteney Bridge. So this bridge is built like the Ponte Vecchio in Florence. It's the only 2 bridges that have shops on them. This is definitely my favourite part of Bath. I just love the water, I love the building. It's just stunning. Here we have the Voter pub. It's one of my favourite pubs in Bath. And then we've got the little maze, which you kind of have to do. It's for kids, but it's really cute anyway. This is the rugby pitch. You can actually walk in if you want to. It's never shut off at the weekends. It's really odd. So yeah, that's the rugby pitch if anyone's interested. And then we've got more river. Those are the parade gardens. You do have to pay to get in those. And we've always said, oh, we'll go and do that one day. But I don't know when we're going to do that. You can also get a boat from the beginning of the river. And it takes you around the back of Bath. Just another view. As I said, I just love this place so much. Whatever mood I'm in, it just really calms me down. I don't know, I think it's water. I'm such a water baby. Back up some very creepy stairs. But these ones are definitely worse than the other ones, I feel like. So I am back from my walk. I don't know if you can hear it, but someone is playing music. I'm not going to miss this music when I'm gone. I've just opened the news and all the schools are shutting on Friday, so like we are basically in lockdown. What, oh my god, what a weird time, like what the actual fuck, like. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this walk around Bath with me. That's probably going to be my last walk around Bath for a very long time. Hopefully I can return in September when things are back to normal and the coronavirus has plateaued or gone away or whatever. Yeah, I really enjoyed filming it. The only two places I missed were Royal Victoria Park, which is kind of along from the Royal Crescent, and Sydney Gardens. So if you're ever in Bath, please visit those places if you have time, because they're both stunning. They're just basically kind of big spaces of land, which are really nice to walk around or run around. But yeah, like, oh, God, I literally feel so sad that I'm leaving Bath, but I knew if I stayed here, I would just be stuck in this room, and that wouldn't be fun either, so I'd rather be stuck at home with my family, even if they do drive me up the wall sometimes. But yeah, the most important thing is that we're all safe and healthy, and that means going in to self-isolation. So yeah, stay safe, look after yourself. Please like and subscribe. I will try and film videos whilst I'm home, because like I need to do this for my own sanity. And yeah, I will see you soon. Bye.